Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you a delicious shepherd's pie recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. On medium heat, you're going to want to brown 1 pound of ground beef. Next, you're going to add 1 beef flavored bouillon tablet, followed by 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Next, you'll add 2 tablespoons of Haitian ippies, which is a Haitian marinade. It is made up of peppers, onions, garlic, and parsley, and some spices. I'll leave a link to the recipe in the description box. Then I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I ended up adding an additional tablespoon of tomato paste. Remove the excess oil and reserve it for later on. Add 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables, reduce the temperature down to a low medium, cover with lid, allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. To prepare the mashed potatoes, we're going to add 2 russet potatoes to cold water. Bring them to a boil on high heat for 45 minutes. Then we're going to peel and mash our potatoes.
Thank you. Alright, people are letting me sneak through.
Add 1/4 cup of butter, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of evaporated milk. I added the ground beef mixture to a baking dish and topped it with the mashed potatoes. Now we're going to take that reserved oil that we had from earlier and coat the top of the shepherd's pie. We're then going to bake the shepherd's pie for 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Was the great Lester Young.